Welcome back to the shop. I'm Ray with Crafted by Ray, and today I'm going to be making a jig using the microjig dovetail clamps. I saw this a few weeks ago from Matt 731 Woodworking's channel, and I'll have his link to his channel in the description. But basically, all I really want is a jig that'll be cutting the live edge off some walnut slabs I have. And this seemed a lot better than what I used to do, was run them through the joiner. So let's begin. This is a piece of plywood that I had laying around. I think it's 1 inch thick, but it's recommended 3/4 so it doesn't bow or on you and it keeps flat and straight. I'm going to make mine 10 inches wide by 3 feet long. Okay, the micro jig kit that I bought came with the router bit, and it needs to be spaced 3/8 of an inch off the plate of the router. I have these brass spacers I bought off Amazon, and you just set it on there and set your height. I will have a link to the spacers and the kit that I bought in the description below. I clamped the jig up to the table with a level. I'm going to run the level or the router down the level. Now I'm trying to get 2 inches from each side and then split it. Well, we'll see what happens. And if you have not yet already, please hit that subscribe button, share the video, and give it a like. I really appreciate it, and let's start making this jig. Okay, what I did was I cut some 45s on the end, about an inch in. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a jig to cut off the edges of the live edge board. And I also messed up on the router here. You make sure your clamps are tight. And then I added paste wax on the bottom so that it's mostly for safety. So it'll slide across the bed of the table saw a lot better. And yeah, let's do some test cuts and see how it works. And just like that, I have a nice straight edge. I just want to say thanks for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you could do me a favor, click a box here or there and it'll take you to another video of mine that I think you'll like. And as always, I'll see you next time with another Crafted by Ray video.